Way number 98 on how to pass the chemistry regions. If you see questions like these in your regions, know you are being asked to identify an organic functional group. Use table R in these situations. Which compound is classified as an ether? Well, ether's example says CH3OCH2CH3. Which choice looks the most similar to this example? That's right, choice 2. Next, what is the name of the compound with the formula CH3CH2CH2NH2? Which of these organic groups are similar to the problem? That would be amine or amide containing nitrogen. However, since the problem contains nitrogen and no oxygen, the answer is amine. When naming organic functional groups, look at the suffix. The suffix for amide is amide, and thus the answer must be choice 2. The next question gives us a functional group. Which of these functional groups looks most similar to the given problem? Yep, aldehyde, and since the suffix is an al, the answer is choice 2. What about this question? Which functional group looks most similar to the given problem? It's ketone, having a suffix unknown. The number in front indicates the address, so look for the shortest carbon chain possible, meaning the answer is 3. For the next two questions, use table R and you will soon see that both questions are asking the same thing. The answer is halides, as they both are in the group halides. What about this question? Keep in mind that Q is a clue that you are identifying an organic acid. Pause the video and figure this one out. If you remember to use table R and saw that Cl is in the group halides, then you are correct. So, remember that whenever you are dealing with an organic functional group, use table R and Q is a clue for organic acids.